everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you what happened during my maintenance stay on this trip to Tennessee. So hang around and watch till the end because there is a surprise. To set this video up, I'm just going to tell you, I was sitting here painting and all of a sudden I hear some noises. I hear some scratching noises and I hear like a roar. So keep watching and you'll see. Wasn't that great? So I'll leave everything in the description below on what I was doing. But hope you enjoyed that. Bye guys.